A lot of people tend to ask or to do videos on what's in their hospital bag. Ask me right now, Danie, what is in your hospital bag? Absolutely nothing. Nada. Zilch. Zero. Not ready. But that's okay. That's why we're in the car right now. But the truth is, as I sit here in the vehicle, I'm thinking, I'm probably not gonna make it through. Like, I'm probably not gonna end up buying everything I need for this hospital bag because I'm so tired. Now, what's in a hospital bag? I like how everybody makes it a big deal, like it's a big mystery. They give you a list, okay? My midwife gave me a list of what the hospital requires one to have in a hospital bag. And so without further ado, with my list in my purse in the back seat, I'm gonna go get me something to eat, and then we gonna see if we can go and get what is needed for this hospital bag. So come on, get ready with me. Are we recording? Oh, okay. Okay guys, so it is almost 8 o'clock, and as I already suspected, I did not go and do anything. I got too tired, and I stepped out just now to drop off my sister, and it's snowing! I'm gonna put on my big girl panties and head to Walmart and grab a few things and call it a day. Like, should I give birth tomorrow, I won't be in a pickle. Bro, these are my kind of prices. I mean, I was gonna go and get myself one of those like fancy $70 nursing bras, but I mean, $7? I think so. Well, assuming these are nursing bras, they probably are. Ooh, and there's an issue of size. Okay, you know what? I know I need underwear for sure. Because you know, when you go to the hospital, you want to have the fresh, brand new underwear. I don't know if any of you guys have ever had that speech from your parents. My mom always used to say that though. She's like, make sure you're wearing your best underwear and your best socks and your best undergarments. Because you never know if you're going to get hit by the bus when you leave the house. So you need to make sure that everything is the best of the best. It's winter, right? So I'm thinking I want like nice plush socks in case it's cold in the hospital. But again, because I'm not going to be in the hospital for very long. Oh, so many dilemmas.
Visitors.
Visitors. No, they're not going to visit. They're going to visit me at home.
I know. You want to look your best when you're at home too.
True. Well, this shouldn't be rocket science. I'm just going to pick this. My favorite color is blue. So I'm going to get these, how many? 4 pairs for like $10. This should be fine. Okay?
Savings.
I don't really know if that really feels like saving. Ooh, I kind of like this though. I love sports socks. Like, I like the way they're nice and snug on the foot. I feel like this would be better.
No.
Yeah, they're white. They're gonna look dirty like in 2 seconds. Ooh, and hospital germs. The thing with me is like in underwear is I love them to be ginormous and cotton, right? That way, like, it scoops up everything, and then it's just super comfortable. And I ain't got to worry about getting no wedgies. I mean, after pushing a baby out of you for JJ, the last thing you want is a wedgie. Believe me. This is not bad. I have a couple of these already, and I like it. Let's keep the trend going. I'm not gonna show you sizes and stuff, but a nice pack of.
It's backwards.
Of 5 underwears. A girl's got to keep some things intimate. This is perfect. Oops, except I'm noticing that they ain't got my size. That's a problem. Well, in the white they do. But I hate white things. You know, like you wash them twice and then they turn yellow. I don't know if it's the bleach. Let's pick one though. In black. Sometimes I'm deceived because I think I'm smaller than I really am. But I'm pretty not small sometimes. Maybe the other side. For temporary measures, because I don't know when I'm going to be out in the streets again, I'm going to get this one. And I hope I don't give birth until I go to the other store. How bad can it be? So I'm getting this. This is not gonna be my pajama. I think this is gonna be kind of more so my lounge pant. I'm getting it. It's super, super huge, and it's like cotton stretch for optimal comfort. And yeah, this I'll just chill in with like a white t-shirt, right? That makes sense. Just put it in there. Oh, I think the matching t-shirt is like over there. Is it white or gray?
Blue.
Isn't it easy to pop my boobs out though if I need to pop my boobs out? I'll get a tank top. Yes, I know this is not part of my hospital bag. I just wanted it. Pregnant woman has needs. This is supposed to make my foot feel like it's in a spa.
Come on then. Put some respect on Queen Poppy's name. What is this?
Okay, so here we are. If you stuck with me this long and you're still watching, well, thank you. You know, I never have the chance to say this, not because I don't have the chance, because I often forget and I'm not like a pusher like that, like subscribe to my channel. But I do want to take a quick moment to thank all my new subscribers, to thank all of you loyal subscribers, and to continue to encourage you to subscribe to my channel, right? Because I do it for you guys. So hopefully you enjoy it. If you like it, don't forget to like, thumbs up, share, comment. It's nice to interact with you guys, and of course subscribe. Here I am 2 days later and I'm trying to wrap up this video and try to wrap up this hospital bag, but I seem to be struggling to do so. But as you see, with my little shopping excursion, I've pretty much gotten everything. Okay, so I got interrupted and I don't really remember where I was. I think I was at the point where I was saying that even though I have everything, I'm still finding it to be a struggle to put it all together. It shouldn't be that hard. It's really just laziness. Let's go through the list, okay? So how about that? Okay, so it's a detailed what to bring to the hospital checklist, and it has like my medications, which I will probably pack last minute. I don't really take any medications. I'm really just taking my prenatals and my iron supplements. My midwife has given me a binder with all of my information that I'm supposed to pop in the hospital bag. So it says forms and cards. I already have that, and I've already submitted my registration form to the hospital where I plan on giving birth. So they have a lot of my information. In terms of clothing, it says several pairs of loose, comfortable cotton panties. You know I got that. A nursing bra, breast pads. I have those. House coat, bathrobe. I got one. Oh my gosh, let me go show it to you. Give me 1 second. Call me Pimp Daddy. No jokes. I got this. I purchased this off like online on ASOS because I thought it was super cute. You can't see it. I'm supposed to look like a plush bear. Okay. And it's a lot more plush than I thought it would be. Brr. I mean, I still like it, but it's really thick. And I mean, I don't really have any robes. I don't feel the need for them. I'm always like, I'm somebody where I think my body temperature usually runs a little hot anyway. So I'm always hot. But I was like, at the hospital, I don't know if you've ever realized this, but when you are in somebody else's care, that's when you're either gonna be too cold or too hot. So I was like, I cannot run the risk of being in a hospital and freeze. Don't know what to expect in the winter time. It'd be like going somewhere and being too cold, and I couldn't risk it. That's the worst. So I got this, but not thinking it was super thick. It is dense. I'm sweating as I speak with it on. It's too much. So I have my robe. What else I need? Nightgown, pajamas. Consider if you're breastfeeding, which I have, like the button down. Non-slip slippers. I got that. And clothes to go home in, obviously. And I mean, if I had to, I'd just leave in my pajamas. I'd feel no type of ways. Toiletries, 1 package of sanitary pads. Guys, it actually really hurts me to think that I have to go back to those things. But I do have a nice nifty box. You can't see it right now, but I'm looking at it. It's staring at me. Unscented soap or shampoo. Now here's another thing. This is why I was a little discouraged. I remember buying, and I buy it often. Don't ask me why. I never actually use it for the purpose of traveling. But I always purchase these travel accessories, like these empty bottles. You get it at your local dollar store. And obviously I'm gonna plan on labeling it. So this, for instance, I'm going to label Mama Lotion because I plan on putting baby lotion in another one. Mama Lotion. You can't really see. Anyways, trust me, that's what it says. And I'm gonna fill it up with lotion. It's a really great idea. There's no need to buy extra lotion. Just pack some of what it's an interrupting kind of afternoon. Anyways, let's wrap this up. So yeah, I was a little discouraged because I had a whole bunch of, wait, did I finish my sentence about filling it up with lotion so that way I don't have to buy more lotion and I end up having 2 bottles of lotion and just use this one because I'm really gonna be there for like 24 hours, 48 max, assuming all goes well, which it will, okay? Yeah, so there's that. And yeah, I was discouraged because I know I buy them a lot and I can't find the other little bottles. I could just find the one, so I have to go back and buy another one. And I was like, just that alone was like, this bag's not getting done today. Merci. Chicken nuggets. I feel like my appetite's increased. And I'm like, no, stop. What else? Hair. I ain't gonna be brushing my hair. I'm planning a braid up, a lovely braid up, maybe even a wrap. I don't know. I ain't gotta worry about that. Toothbrush, toothpaste, I bought that. Deodorant, I bought myself one of those little travel ones. Lip balm, got that. And then it says cell phone charger. That's probably the last things that are gonna be on my mind. Camera, I will try to remember these things, but not a big deal if I don't. Pillow, breastfeeding pillow is optional. And then also pens and pencils for taking notes and stuff. Ain't nobody doing all that. Mind you, I always have a pen in my purse. Pillow, in a bright colored pillowcase. I guess that's to identify that it's yours. I do have this semi, like, you can't really see, floral type pillowcase. I don't know why you can't. It's not visibly showing here. That's not doing anything. Stem collection kit. No, we're not going to be doing any of that. For the newborn, I need newborn size diapers. You can't see it, but I have it right there. Some Vaseline, got that. Baby wipes, got that. Baby clothing, got that. Receiving blankets, weather appropriate outerwear. I don't have that. But that's because I plan on putting my baby in one of those like snuggie things in the car seat. That's like a coat. So I think the baby would just die of heat. Like if I put a coat and that, I don't know, it's just too much. And of course the car seat, which I have to book an appointment to get installed because it's way too cold for me to do it myself. And it's a complimentary service, so why not? And then it says for the partners, a sleeping bag, pillow, whatever. My husband ain't doing all of that, and I'm not doing all of that. It's just, if it comes to it, he's just gonna sleep on a chair. I'll give him my robe. All right, folks, and that's about it. I really hope this video was enjoyable. It was exhausting for me. But oh, and the bag. Where's my bag? You guys are like, what are you gonna put in it? Oh, obviously. I have my Lululemon gym bag that I never used to go to the gym. And I used it at my last pregnancy. It's a really nice, cute black duffel bag, and it can take a lot of stuff. And my goodness, duty calls. Attends moi chérie, attends. Wrap it up. Yeah, this duffel bag, and that's what I'm gonna put everything in, except for like maybe the pillow that'll chill on the top there. But that's it. Yes, I think I'm just about ready for baby. This is week 38, folks. Week 38. I ain't gonna be doing an update. I guess this is the update. I'm getting ready for the hospital, and I'm waiting on this baby like every single day. But at the same time, you know, when you're waiting for the baby, at the same time, you're kind of like, okay, well, don't come like on this day. It's one of those. Anyways, if you like this video, remember to thumbs up, Thank you for watching. Always remember that you're beautiful, you're smart, and you're loved. And if I don't give birth before then, I will see you in the very near future in my next video. Okay, bye.